guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I just left the Dollar Tree. You guys, seriously, the Dollar Tree is becoming like a thing in my life. Like, it's becoming like a huge priority. It is 7:15 p.m. on a Friday night. I have not showered yet, but I just left the Dollar Tree. Like, that's where my priorities are at, obviously. So I'm just gonna share with you guys everything that I picked up. So nothing is in a particular order, so I'm just gonna start sharing. I'm gonna put my sunglasses back on. And you guys ask about these sunglasses all the time. I got them from Target. I'll have a link below if you guys want to pick some up for yourself. This girl, I do not do Ray-Bans. I lose sunglasses like crazy, so no way in heck am I gonna spend more than 10 bucks on sunglasses until I get to a point where I need like prescription sunglasses. Then that's gonna be completely different. So I'm just gonna share with you guys what I picked up. And okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys what I picked up. So fall is here at my Dollar Tree, and I was, you know, putting some major shade on this Dollar Tree, telling them that they don't stock their stuff and nothing's new there anymore. I went there today and they blew me away. So they were unboxing stuff, they were setting the fall stuff out, and yeah, it was great. So first thing I picked up were these little garden stakes. So this is a pumpkin, so I went ahead and picked up 4 of them. So what I'm gonna do, and I love this little maple leaf also, and I think it spins also. How cool is that? How cool is that? And it gets super windy in California, so hopefully the wind will, you know, do that. So what I did is I got 4 of the pumpkins. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Scarlett's name on one of the pumpkins, Sawyer, Tanner, and then I also got a 4th one to put paw prints on for our dogs. So we'll, you know, represent everyone in the family, all the kids in the family. And then I also picked this guy up too. It's a little scarecrow and it says harvest, and I thought that this was super cute and something that is going to be durable to last me through multiple seasons. So I went ahead and picked that guy up. And then I also picked up some cactus stickers. So I picked this up for Amber, Anchor Amber here on YouTube. So I was talking to her through Instagram, and she mentioned that she really liked the cactus notepad that I picked up last week. So I'm gonna send that with her. And then I also picked her up these cactus stickers because, you know, she likes cactus. She needs stickers to go with her notepad. So I picked those up for you, Amber. And then I also picked up a 2-pack of the Crayola washable sidewalk chalk. So I went ahead and picked up the larger ones because the kids, they have a hard time with the smaller ones. So we're going to my parents' house. When you see this video, we're at my parents' house because it's my dad's birthday. So we're over there swimming. So I wanted to pick them up some chalk to go ahead and decorate Grandpa's backyard. He's gonna love that. And it's washable. It's washable, Dad, don't worry. And then the next thing I picked up is the Assured Antibacterial Moist Wipes. So there's a 20 count in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this in my couponing kit because I wanna have those on hand when I'm in stores, just in case they don't have the wipes at the front of the store like Target does. So I remember to wipe down my cart when I'm going inside stores, and like the handles of baskets and stuff. I want to make sure I wipe that off to disinfect it because so many people touch those and you don't know who's sick. So I got those. And then I picked up the Baking Concepts baking cups. This is 100 pieces. This is like mini like muffin tins, but I'm just going to use this for the kids' M&Ms and Skittles. When they eat their fruits, then they get some sort of treat for me, just like a few M&Ms here and there. But that's how I get them to eat their fruit. Yes, I bribe them. And then I picked up these napkins. I actually got these for Thanksgiving. They say gobble till you drop, and there's 24 in here. So I went ahead and picked these up for Thanksgiving because something I'm learning with the Dollar Tree is if you see something one week, it could be gone the next week. So I went ahead and picked it up, even though it's August and I picked up Thanksgiving stuff. So the next thing I picked up are these maple leaf garlands. So it is a 5-foot garland, and what I liked about this is they have the little pumpkins on it as well, and these little, I don't know what these are supposed to be, berries, I don't know. But they have pumpkins on them, so I picked up 2 of them, so that's a total of 10 feet. So I'm probably gonna add these around my door. My front door is probably where they're gonna go. If you went to Michael's and picked those up, they would be way more expensive. So getting 2 of them for $1 each, I think is pretty good. And then I picked these guys up for Scarlett's lunchbox. So it is a pack of 3. This is the lock top snack container with lids. So it comes with 3 little snack containers with the lids. So I'm gonna use these for her lunches. And then I'm starting to slowly collect things for the kids' stockings at Christmas time. So I picked up this Pop Outs grab bag. So I picked up the Peppa Pig, and it comes with the coloring board. So they're like cardboard, so that's cool. So it comes with 2 coloring boards, 3 washable markers, and 25 stickers. So I picked up Peppa Pig for Sawyer, and then I picked up Shimmer and Shine for Scarlet. And this would be good if you're doing like road trips, because it's a cardboard coloring pad. So they have something hard to go ahead and color against. So I thought that would be fun if anyone's planning a trip. And then I picked these up. This is a chalkboard sign that says I am thankful for, and then you can go ahead and add this, add like a chalkboard, what am I talking about? Use chalk and write what you're thankful for. So I picked 2 of these guys up. So I picked up one for my family, and then I picked up one for you guys to throw into my giveaway box. And I thought that this was really nice quality, and there is the tin leaf, and then they have the burlap background on it, and I just thought that this was really great for $1. So if you're a teacher, this would be a really fun thing to put in your classroom, and then maybe you could pick one student to say what they're thankful for, or you know, you could go around the table and say what you're thankful for. I don't know, just trying to give you guys ideas. And this next thing I found last year, but I don't think it survived the move. So it's a little sign. It says harvest, happy fall y'all, give thanks, autumn gatherings, falling leaves, and pumpkin patch. So I thought that this was a really nice find for $1. I'm probably gonna take the burlap string off and just kind of set this in my, probably gonna put it on my porch and just set it next to some cotton stems is probably what I'm gonna do. So I picked that up. And then I picked up a window cling. So this one says Happy Harvest, and it has a little scarecrow and fox and leaves. So I put these on my refrigerator. The kids and I decorate that. And then I also picked these wall clings up too, and this is really cute too. It has the owl, it has a scarecrow, and I got this specifically for the wreath. It says be thankful. I thought that this was super cute. So I put these on my microwave, and I put them on my fridge. So I don't actually put them on my windows. I never put window clings on my windows. And then I saw these randomly. So it is an 18-piece cupcake set. It's Mickey Mouse and the Roadster Racer. So I went ahead and picked these up for Sawyer because he really likes Mickey and the Roadster Racer. So I'm gonna try to make some zucchini muffins for the kids, because I'm trying to get the kids to eat more greens. So I thought if I made like a zucchini chocolate chip muffin, then maybe that will go over well. I was also considering doing like a broccoli and cheddar muffin with like pancake mix. I don't know if that would actually work. Let me know if you guys think that that would be a good way to kind of like get some greens in them, doing like a broccoli cheddar thing. I love broccoli and cheddar soup, and it kind of sounds kind of good putting in like a muffin. Like picture the Red Lobster cheddar biscuits, but with broccoli in it too. Like that's what I'm thinking. So let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. So Nicole Burgess hauled these, and I had to have them. So these are the metal words. So they're metal, like galvanized words that say thankful, harvest, and welcome. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these yet. I kind of have an idea of what I wanna do, but I'm not 100%. So I picked this up for myself, and then I also picked one up for you guys, because I feel like some of this stuff might fly off the shelves. Like once people start hauling them, then they're just gonna kind of, you know, Dollar Tree's gonna get out of stock, because that's what I'm learning. If you see something, grab it. So the last things that I picked up are these little tabletop decors. So this one says autumn, and it has a little owl on it, so it just sets right on the tabletop. And this one is a little scarecrow. How cute is he? And it says harvest. And then I also got a pumpkin, so it doesn't say anything on it. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but I need to go through my fall decor probably in the next week or so in my storage closet, and I need to see like what I have, and I might need to purge some stuff that you know, maybe it's just time to pass on. Anytime I get new decor, I always try to get rid of something so that my decor doesn't get too overwhelming. So that's what I'm probably gonna end up doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. I am still having so much fun bringing Dollar Tree hauls to you guys. And I also took some inspiration from Nicole Burgess and I snapped some photos for you guys. I just snapped the photos of the seasonal department. So that's probably what I'm gonna do is I'll just add photos of like seasonal stuff because I think it's fun for us to see like what each other has at different stores. I just find it to be fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those in so I'm not, you know, buying up the whole Dollar Tree every single week just to show you guys stuff. That's probably not a good idea. So I will go ahead and send you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add pictures into my videos because I think that that will be fun to share with you guys what Southern California Dollar Trees have. And I'm so excited that they had fall stuff because I didn't know if they were going to because it's like summer year round here, but they came through. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I have a huge Dollar Tree giveaway that I'm probably going to release maybe next week because I have a huge priority mail box full of stuff that I've been collecting. And pretty much what I'm gonna do every week, I'm gonna get stuff to add into Dollar Tree giveaways, and once the box is like seeping full, that's when the giveaway is going to happen. And I currently have like an overflowing box now, so more than likely the giveaway is going to be next week. So make sure you click that subscribe button, ding the notification bell so you're notified when I post these videos, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.